In this video, I'm going to be talking about the comparison between using wood chip mulching to help with weeds and not using wood chip mulching. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, a channel where I help you create a successful urban garden to help you feed your family, your friends, and yourself. And today I'm going to be talking about how using wood chips in my garden has helped with deterring weeds from growing. Before I started putting a heavy thick layer of wood chips onto my garden, I used to have the worst time with weeds. The weeds would grow faster, stronger, larger than my seedlings. Let's say my cilantro right over here, that all the cilantro would be drowned out or couldn't reach any sunlight, and they would be sickly, it would be bug infested. But now I want to show you the before, how it used to be in a new section of my garden that I'm trying to add more wood chips to help the soil recover. Okay, so we have here a pink lady apple, which I've grafted a few other varieties onto as well, a heavenly white nectarine, a prune tree, newly planted last month, a Flavor Delight apium, and a Parfianca pomegranate. There's also asparagus and other berry plants here. But if you'll notice right here that the weeds are about 2 feet tall. This is how my entire garden used to look. This is what I used to have to deal with. And I transformed this into this, where I rarely have to weed. On average, I maybe pull up about 5 to 10 weeds a day of just seedlings within this section of the garden, where I laid about an average of 6 inches of wood chips, but some locations more than a foot of wood chips. Now I rarely have to weed. It's a lot easier to work with. And water. And I'm going to put up a card on the screen right now with a video that I did in the past showing you my water bill and how much it has changed while using heavy wood chip mulching. And question of the day. If you use wood chips in your garden, let me know your experience, both positive and negative, in the comments below. Okay, comment shout out to Spencer, congratulating me on my wife being pregnant. I'm both happy and surprised. I can't wait. And we're going to see how it works with Lulu, Shant, and the new baby in the garden. Thank you for your comment. And remember, if you want to create a successful urban garden, make sure to subscribe. And as always, happy gardening.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and